Two strings A and B made of same material are slightly out of tune and produce beats of frequency 6 Hz. When tension in B is slightly decreased, the beat frequency increases to 7 Hz. If the frequency of A is 530 Hz, we have to find the original frequency of B. We'll denote frequency of A by Fa. F is given as 530 Hz, and we'll have to find Fb. We're given that mod Fa minus Fb is equal to 6, which means that either Fb minus Fa equals 6 or Fa minus Fb is equal to 6. Fa minus Fb if F is greater than Fb, or Fb minus Fa if Fb is greater than Fa. So Fb could either be 536 or 524. We are told that the tension in string B is lower, which means that the frequency of B should also lower, but the beat frequency is increasing to 7, which means that Fb has to be the lower value, which is 524, because only then the beat frequency can increase when Fb is lowered. Therefore, Fb is 524 Hz.